So here we are inside the Lunch platform, and what you are currently seeing is the Lunch Talkboard, which is a series of interactive dashboards, documents, slides, and experiments organized in a table of contents. But I promise you that we will talk about languages, which is probably the whole reason that you are here. So languages are everywhere. They are all around you, even now in this very video. You can see them when you look through your browser window or when you turn on your speakers. It is no surprise then that parsing is still such an active area of research, or as Lawrence Stratt described it, the solved problem that isn't. Now, if we put natural languages and Klingon aside, we are still left with over 100 programming languages in active use according to TIOBE, 300 listed in the IEEE list of 2018, over 700 on Wikipedia, with hundreds more DSLs, formats, and protocols. Now, as far as motivations go for new parsing technologies, this slide is good enough for most people. But frankly, this is not what keeps me up at night. What does keep me up is how much of our future we have invested in language design, probably without even realizing it. Bear with me for a moment. First, in terms of research, there is not a single scientific domain nowadays that does not have a computational branch. I mean, from computational mathematics to physics, chemistry, bioinformatics, digital humanities, computational philosophy, etc. What all these disciplines bring to the table is, of course, new vocabularies, new processes, new needs that right now, at least partially, are being met by a growing number of domain-specific languages. In essence, what we are doing here is solving our new computational needs by piling up on top of our existing linguistic corpora. Now, if that wasn't enough, we have education, which has traditionally been a fertile ground for new paradigms and languages, a process which seems to have been kicked into overdrive due to our growing fear of automation. And what do we do again here? You guessed it, we are inventing new languages to teach our kids. It is in this environment that Lunch comes in as a platform for language design, both to ease the pain of the design process itself, but also to facilitate cross-paradigm and cross-linguistic compositions. This is done through multi-ordered grammars and the Gray algorithm, as well as a series of applied contribution and case studies. Let's jump right into it.